Great morning, guys.
Great morning, Jasmine.
As you know, my name is Jasmine, and the meaning of my name is to make happiness. Today, I am here to give speech on topic subject history and topic Harappan civilization. So, guys, firstly, we should know that what are civilizations. Civilizations are the place where people used to live. Firstly, people roamed here and there. After 1 year, they used to change their places. But after that, they found a way. They used to live at only one place. So that's called civilization. So I want to tell you today about Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization was mainly in Indian and Pakistan parts. It was even older than many of the civilizations like Mesopotamian civilization. It is so much old. It is also called Indus Valley civilization because it was found near the Indus River. And now I will tell you that what was the main thing that was very good in Harappan civilization and why Harappan civilization is famous. The main thing is that Harappan civilization drainage system and the planned urban system is the main point. The drainage system was like that. It looked like drainage was drained first and after that houses were made. Houses were also made of bricks that were baked. And in whole Harappan civilization, all the sites have the same bricks, same size bricks. And we can see that how much time it have taken to build these houses and to build this civilization. In this civilization, the houses size were also big, and there were more than 700 houses in one site. And in Harappan civilization, the houses were made like that. It was privacy. The privacy purpose was the main thing. The gate, when we entered from the gate, it didn't give the view of the house directly. There was a lobby, then there were rooms. So we can say that they were also aware of their privacy. So now I want to tell you about the main site of Harappan civilization. Even though it is called Harappan civilization, it was called after the name of Harappa because the first site found was Harappa. But the main site of Harappan civilization is Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, as you can see here, Mohenjo-daro is here upon Indus Valley. Mohenjo-daro was the main thing. Here, Citadel and Lower Town were there. Two towns, it was divided in two towns, Lower and Citadel town. In Lower town, it was big and it was on lower flat. But the Citadel town was upside and it was small. We can see from the construction and the type it was made that Citadel town was used for main purposes, where Lower town was used for by common people. In Citadel town there were great baths and there were many rooms, many bathrooms which were joined with these great baths or pools. And in Lower town there were houses, the right angle, the roads were like that streets that they intersect at right angles. And that system looked so good that it was very planned and urbanized center. In this way, Indus Valley civilization is very famous in this time, and also now archaeologists are finding many new sites. You know that after partition, India and Pakistan division, many of the sites, the Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Chungodro, they all went in Pakistan. So now archaeologists are finding sites in India, and mainly we can see in Haryana there is Banawali site which was found in Rajasthan also, and Kalibangan, and in Gujarat Dholavira, Lothal and Nageshwar. These are the sites which are found now. Now I will tell you that how this civilization used to live. You know friends, everyone needs something. Oh, we don't have all resources. So the civilization, the people who live in this civilization used to trade. How they traded? They used seals. There were no accounts by that time, so they used seals. And these seals are found in many parts like Onam in different countries and in different civilizations these have found. So we can say that this civilization was not alone. There was trade between other civilizations too. There was trade of stone, statites, or many luxurious ornaments which are found in both or another civilizations also. If we take an example, copper and iron, it was found in Rajasthan. whereas gold was taken from South India, but many important things were taken from other civilizations. If we look that the early Harappan civilization and later Harappan civilization, these were two parts of Harappan civilization. Early Harappan civilization, there were sites, but they were less. Later, the late Harappan civilization have so many sites, and there were difference between them. But also, this civilization ended nearby second city. It was because the reason they don't know. Archaeologists said that there may be flood, there may be the fields have gone away, there were no fertility, and other things they have told about the early Harappan civilization. Now, how this civilization was discovered? As you know, the seeds, beads, stones, and seals which are found under the layer of soil are the main source for archaeologists to find about any civilization. In the same way, our first airside general, Alexander Cunningham, he was the first airside general. He found the seals first time in Harappa, and he also found Harappa. There were late rains, and he found about that, but he didn't know in which timeline he can put it. So he just put it in. He tried to put it in the Chinese timeline in which Chinese come to India, but it was totally wrong. They did not know that India civilization is more older than other civilizations. So after that, John Marshall, next SI general, in 1926, he announced the founding of Harappan civilization because he placed it in a right timeline and also discovered many seals and also found that it was very old civilization than other civilizations. Dayanand Sahni and Rakhel Das Banerjee found many seals and they also deciphered them. Even now there are many seals which are not deciphered till now. Many seals, their writing system was not from left to right, it was from right to left. They used to write in different ways. They have many signs in that Harappan civilization, so it was maybe difficult to find about many seals, and many things are undeciphered till now. So archaeologists are trying hard to decipher it. Let's have a look on this on board. You can see here is Indus Valley civilization, Indus River, and that's why it was called Indus Valley civilization. Indus River was the main source of trade with the other countries, and this Ganga River and through other rivers they used to do this, and this civilization was mainly in this part. It was in West North Indian part, and as you can see here, these are the main sites of Harappan civilization. Harappa, Kodinji, Chunbudro, Nageshwar, Loksar, Dholavira, Kalimangan and Rakhigal. It was mainly in this area, and archaeologists have found these new sites in India like as Kalimangan and Rakhigal. Now I want to tell you that how they used to eat in Harappan civilization. They used to grow crops. These were wheat, rice, any other crops, and these crops they grow by using cultivation. Many terracotta bowls have been found in the Haryana Banawali, and in this way we can say that they also used to do cultivation and other things. So we come to know about this civilization. So I hope that you understood it that Harappan civilization is very large and it is even older than other civilizations. That's all from my side. Hope you understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.